The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar basically is areas of strength for truly, really is genuinely huge. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 65 cents. Which truly is genuinely critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo generally is drifting at $1,993,477 in a kind of large manner. Nexo explicitly acquired roughly 0.2% inside the in every practical sense most recent 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. 04 August 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these habitually certainly got clarification on pressing issues facts. What truly is especially momentary cost expectation for Nexo? Generally is Nexo an especially wise interest in a genuinely huge manner. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on in a truly significant manner. Yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Nexo specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the by and large current economic situations in a huge manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,169,279,238,148. So Nexo essentially acquired roughly 0.2% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The especially complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $29,024,660,437, which basically shows that Nexo certainly acquired roughly 0.2% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they by and large thought, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%. So however prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, generally let us certainly discuss the extremely current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP the in every practical sense. Local coin of XRP truly is up by 0.01, and at present exchanging at 66 cents. So the essentially absolute exchanging volume, especially remains at $29,024,660,437, which fundamentally shows that Nexo truly acquired around 0.2% inside the most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions for the most part show that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending bearing for fundamentally transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is very critical. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that these occasions in a real sense show that the market basically is going in every practical sense descending bearing for commonly present moment, which by and large is genuinely huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of more exceptionally dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers in a real sense move fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar especially is actually areas of strength for genuinely a very significant way. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution, The sort of current Nexo cost for the most part is 65 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,993,477 in the beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. As of now, Nexo basically is up by 0.2% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $362,351,836 United States dollars. So as of now, an especially broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 04 August 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of beneath, extremely further appearance. How the especially complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,024,660,437, which sort of shows that Nexo by and large acquired roughly 0.2% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving most certainly normal, EMA, to truly investigate the future development of the Nexo, which truly is very huge. The Nexo for the most part has in a real sense break all its by and large backings levels, and things truly are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, by and large bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively really take Nexo cost underneath the pivotal help level of 82 cents. So the Nexo truly has fundamentally break all its particularly upholds levels, and things basically are not looking commonly great for the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44, and sort of is attempting to fundamentally break out of the nonpartisanship zone. So Nexo support and obstruction levels, and so forth in a significant manner. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer generally is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, extremely signal fundamentally is especially conceivable at this reach in a genuinely significant manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining above of the very signal line, after a quite sure hybrid, so at present, certainly bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take Nexo cost beneath the vital help level of 82 cents. So the Nexo really has for the most part break all its especially upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking very great for the crypto market. So moreover, Coco